Hey, Nate! Nothing? Hey, if you find that bullet down there, give it back. Good day. Welcome to Theatrical Garbage.
Awful day.
I am Professor Presley. I am here with Nate of the House of Fat and are currently walking within the Alpenglow.
With a rat dog.
What's the Alpenglow, Nate?
No clue.
It is a phenomenon where the sun glows between the trees. Dying embers of a day.
Say that again?
The dying embers of a day. Google Alpenglow, Nate.
Is it worth it though?
There's more on heaven and earth than is dreamt of in your stories. On this earth, millennia.
Many years. How long have you been here?
On this earth, millennia.